What are you gonna be for Halloween? Are you gonna be a little sushi roll for Halloween? I think you are. Hey, what is up? My name is Catherine and welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm sorry that there was no video up on Sunday. I just wasn't happy with how the video that I filmed turned out, and quality is always more important than quantity. But anyways, we are now in full-blown spooky season. Halloween is 1 week away and I'm still in denial about the fact that it's even October, so there's that. So I'm going to be showing you guys a fun sort of last minute costume idea. This is my donut hair and makeup tutorial. I did this for a Halloween party last year and it's super fun because you can really pair it with whatever outfit you'd like. I paired it with a Dunkin' Donuts t-shirt. You can dress it as up or down as you want depending on the mood of whatever party you're going to on Halloween. So before I get started with this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am here every Wednesday and Sunday except for the rare occasion where I do miss a day, and let's get started. So I have already primed my eyelids and put a little bit of concealer under my eyebrows. For me, whenever I think of donuts, I always think of A, Dunkin' Donuts, and B, those donuts with pink icing from The Simpsons, if you know what I'm talking about. So even though I actually hate pink icing donuts in real life, I hate the strawberry icing, that's always what comes to my mind. So I'm going to be doing pink eyeshadow, but obviously you can use whatever color you associate with donut icing. So because I'm using pink, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Ooh La La palette. Again, you can use any palette, any colors that you want. I'm going to be going into Soft Core and Poodle on a BH Cosmetics number 11 brush. This is actually a highlighting brush, but it is great for applying transition shades. So this is a peachy pink and a pink toned taupe shade. So this is just getting applied as a transition shade very lightly above the crease. I sort of am bringing it out like a little beyond my eyebrow tail. We're going to be doing a cut crease today. So now that I have a nice and subtle transition shade going on, I'm going to be going into this shade Sandbar. This is a pressed pigment. It is a very vibrant hot pink. And I'm going into that on an AOA Studio E126 brush. This is your standard just round blending brush. And so I'm applying this into my crease with a windshield wiper motion. Since we are doing just your standard cut crease today, I only want to focus on blending this to the side and up. I don't want to be bringing this shade down. So I want that shade to be taking up as much space as possible because I'm going to be doing some detail work over top. So once that is applied, I am just going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and a Real Techniques lip brush, and I'm going to be carving out that cut crease. And then I'm just setting down this shade with a shimmer that is close to my skin tone. I'm sure you have one in your collection. Then just to make sure that crease is nice and defined, I am taking a BH Cosmetics number 17. This is just a small rounded brush, great for more detail work. And I'm just running that along the edge of that cut crease. So now's where this look actually starts to get fun. I'm going to be putting sprinkles on my pink icing eyeshadow. So I have these 5 colorful eyeliner shades. So I have these NYX Vivid Brights in yellow, red, and this little pastel pink shade. And I have Sweat n Wild Mega Liner in purple and blue. So I'm going to be using these to create the sprinkles. And I will tell you, if you don't have any colorful eyeliners, what you can do is take like an angled eyebrow brush or eyeliner brush and just like really get a lot of colorful eyeshadow on it, and wet the brush and just stamp each sprinkle onto your eyelid. But colorful eyeliner is going to work better. It's going to be more pigmented and defined on the eyelid. So if you can find some on sale and you really want to do this, definitely recommend. I'm going to sort of build them up from dark to light. So I'm going to start out with this purple one, and basically I'm just placing little dashes across my eyelid. And I'm trying to do it as randomly as possible, but obviously it's quite hard to actually do things randomly when you're trying. Alright, so this is what my sprinkles are looking like. This one got a little messed up, but such is life. And I have yellow in my eyebrow. Cute. Alright, so I am going to do winged eyeliner and mascara / lashes, but just for the sake of keeping this video under an hour long, I'm going to do that off camera. And I'm also going to do my base makeup while I'm at it, and then I will be back to finish up the rest of this look. Alright, I am back. So first order of business is finishing up my under eye. So I'm going to be going into this bright orange shade from my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and looking at it, I could have just used this for my whole eye. So I'm going into this on a Alamar Cosmetics liner brush, and this is going to be going on my under eye. If you hear any noises, my cat is sat beneath my microphone purring like the cutest thing in the world. I feel like these wings need to be a little bigger for this look, so I'm going to do that real quick. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and run that along the orange real quick. And that is it for the eyes. We have a cute little Dunkin' Donuts branding colors eye thing going on. Now for the face, I want myself a nice vibrant pink blush to pair with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using these 2 pink shades from my e.l.f. blush palette. Going into these with my Lime Crime powder brush, and just really gonna try to amp these up as much as possible. So I would obviously never wear this much blush if it wasn't for costume purposes. I do feel the need to clarify that. So for highlighter, I'm going to be going for the glazed donut highlighter look. So I'm going to be going into the shade Crushed Pearl from my Anastasia highlight kit. This is a very icy silvery white highlight shade, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics tapered highlighting brush, and I'm just going for like super intense with this. And for my lip, I'm going to be super simple and boring. I'm just going to do a nude gloss because I just want to have that cute little icing-y look to the lips. I don't really want to do anything fancy. So this is it for the makeup portion of the tutorial, and you can customize this as much as you want. If you don't like cut creases, you can do a smoky eye. You can use any color that you want. This is just what I did for this today. So now it is time to move on to the hair portion. So I'm starting out with my hair in a half ponytail on top of my head. You can do half ponytail, full ponytail, however you typically like to wear your hair. And I'm taking one of these hair donut bun things. And I don't know how you're supposed to use these properly, quite frankly. I always just wrap my hair like around until it starts to resemble a donut shaped bun. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so you just want to make sure that's nice and secure. You have your little donut-y shaped bun with a defined hole in the center, and here is now where I lose all of my subscribers. You are going to be pouring acrylic paint over top of your bun. I swear this comes out like actually super easily. Your hair might be a little dry afterwards, but like I already have the deadest hair in the world and it didn't break off after I did this, so you should be fine. I'm using pink again for pink icing, and you want to go kind of slow with it. So you're literally just doing it like you would ice a donut, which I have never done in my life, but you know. The main thing that you want to avoid is having too much dripping down, because it will run all the way down your face and into your eyes, and you don't want that. It's okay if it goes onto your forehead a little. It's actually quite cute and it dries like that, but just like on your eyes is a no-go. So then while this is still wet, and it's pretty important that it's still wet, you're then going to pour rainbow sprinkles over the paint. And like, I guess you could use beads, but like those are going to be more expensive, so I just use actual sprinkles. And now your hair is a cute, adorable pink iced donut. And again, you can use any paint color, just whatever strikes your fancy. And once this dries, it is locked in place all night until you decide to hop in the shower and shampoo it out. So this is the final look. Sort of hard to fit both the hair and the makeup on camera because I live in a closet, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun the last time I wore this to a party. I brought my drink in a little Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee cup, had my Dunkin' Donuts t-shirt. It was just so fun. So if you're a huge donut lover, especially Dunkin' Donuts lover like me, this is a cute costume idea that you could do for Halloween. I hope that everybody has a fun and most importantly safe Halloween this year. Whether you're going to parties or trick-or-treating or taking your kids trick-or-treating, I hope that it is just spooky and magical and you get all of the candy that you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you are planning on being for Halloween. I would love to know, and I'll see you guys on Sunday.